In this problem, we're dealing with probability. We've got 5 purple balls, 9 green balls, and 2 black balls. The first thing I want to do is find out how many balls we have total. So there's 5 purple, 9 green, and 2 black, right? So that's 9, 14, 15, 16. So there's 16 total. The next thing that I want to notice is that this says without replacement. That's an important term. In these probability problems, always look to find out if something's with replacement or without replacement. The difference being is without replacement means we're going to draw one of the balls and then we don't put it back. We just draw the next ball without replacing the first ball. With replacement would be we draw the first ball, see what color it is, put it back, and then draw the second ball. You're going to see where that makes a difference in a moment. So the first thing is, what is the odds, or what are the probability, the probability of drawing a purple ball? So that's our first one. Well, the odds of that is, there's 5 purple balls, and there's 16 total. So the probability of that is 5 over 16. Then we need to figure out what are the probability of drawing a green ball. Well, we know that there's 9 green balls, but they've drawn one ball out already. Let's say it was purple. So there's only 15 balls left. That's why the without replacement is important. If it's with replacement, then you would keep that as 16. So we could just multiply straight across. Remember, when you're multiplying fractions, you do not need a common denominator. You just multiply straight across. Or let's try and reduce it some on the front end. We've got a 5 here and a 15 there. I know 5 goes into 15 3 times. So 5 goes into 5 one time. 5 goes into 5. It goes into 15 3 times. So I reduce that there. And then I see a 9 here and a 3 here. So I know I can reduce it further. 3 goes into 3 one time. And 3 goes into 9 3 times. All we're doing is some reducing of these fractions. You can do this at the end or you can do it on the front end. So now we go 1 times 3 is 3. We have 16 times 1 is 16. So 3/16, which is D.